Westermans here. Another load just been loaded, which is a Lincoln SAF column boom and a seam welder, all set up with SP7 plasma TIG. Also somewhere in there is an Orbital Orbimat 165 with a P20 tubesheet head. A few more pallets to go on yet, but that'll be a full load sent into Europe. More seam welders, both new and used in stock. Can be set up with TIG, plasma, sub-arc as required. Column booms also in stock, ranging from a small 1.5 metre to a 4 metre column boom. Again, sub-arc, plasma, MIG, TIG, whatever is required. These should hopefully be in Portugal by the end of the week, ready for the customer to put into production. Shame the covers are back on this, otherwise you'd be able to see a little bit more behind here, but not really going to see a lot. Going into the actual transport, we've got another 8 more pallets to get on, which hopefully we've got room. Like to see more of machines like this, please visit Westermans.com. Machines can either be sold as is or fully serviced to order, packed and shipped if required, or customers may choose to actually use their own transport companies. Again, we can also oblige by just loading if required. Like I say, look on Westermans.com for more details and for the current stock. Thank you for looking.